Hello and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? I guess I'm just going on. I guess I'm just going to record a lot of videos that or videos that have like 3 videos in their playlist. Or should I say not a lot? I guess I don't know because like I just looked at I saw I had 3 videos for Will You Press the Button, and I said to myself, hey, I should play that because it needs some love. So yeah. But I don't know what else is going to come back because I still need work on Isle of You and Shepherd of Light. So yeah. Yeah. You will finish your university degree now and have that job, but you will be bullied like a school nurse. See, the problem is I'm not in college yet, and the only thing I want to do now is art. Kind of like my dream job before this involved art. So I was thinking of going to like an art department of a school, or an art school, like the former over the latter. But I don't know. So I will not, because I'm not in college yet. Facebook shuts down, but everyone starts using Tumblr instead, including you. Yeah, I don't really care. I don't use... I sometimes use Tumblr. I don't really use Facebook. Whatever. The Arab-Israel conflict ends, but it ends because they are all dead. No, I will not. I don't want a I do want the conflict to end, but I don't want it to end because they're all dead. Like, plus I don't know what the Arab-Israel conflict is, so yeah, I should invest in that, I guess. I don't know, just so I'm more knowledged on it. You instantly own... Why is Second Life giving me furry ads? Like, why? Why? You instantly own 15 trillion US dollars, but your mother sells $1,500 to have you assassinated once you are about to buy ice cream on Tuesday with your ex-girlfriend. What? Your mother sells $1,500 to have you assassinated once you are about to buy ice cream on Tuesday with your... No, What? I don't really get this. I seriously do not get that. So I'm just gonna not... You can have sex with any person at any time, but you can never see any of your loved one or friends again. Nope. Then moving on. You get to live in a perfect world that you have created, but you're the only one living in it. Interesting. So it's kind of like your imagination world, like, yeah, it's basically your imagination world where you can have your favorite show, your favorite character from your favorite show, and be best friends with them, and like have so many crossovers, but it's only you. I think I would do that. Not forever, but for a while, I think I would. Yeah. You can look. You can look just like your favorite celebrity, but you speak in a voice of the opposite sex. Now, I don't really care if I'm my favorite celebrity or not. So, yeah, there's not much to that. You get a genie to grant you anything once, but a double but you have to live as a genie for 10,000, or not 10,000, wow, 1,000 years, granting the same wish to others. Ooh. Ooh. Huh, this is interesting, because the grant any wish once, I'm kind of getting, oh, I can't remember what her staff is called, but, Sister Grimm, she's Marvel. She's the magic one of the, Runaways. Having to do the same wish. Well, then that begs the question, if I can just wish away this negative, and also, how long has this been going on? Because, then it's not really me who's, wishing for anything, it's just granting me, they're just granting me what they've wished. So no, I will not. That one was kind of good. That made me think a little bit. That one was good. You live in a world filled with sex. Nope. Moving on. Nope. Moving on. You will finally accomplish your lifelong goal, but you will be accompanied by your crazy adopted sister. See, I don't have an adopted sister right now. I am still an only child. But I do kind of want my... that is kind of selfish, but I want it to be me. I want this channel just to be me, and whenever I have other people on in the future, I want it to be featuring them. It's not like, oh, it's him and the crazy sister playing along and blah blah blah. I would have wanted to have me and then featuring my adopted sister, that type of thing. To put it better, to say it better, I should say. I want the channel just to be my face instead of with Game Grumps, it's both Danny's and Aaron's, where I would just want it to be more like Jacksepticeye's channel, where it only has Sean's face, and when he has multiple other people, it's him playing along with others, not them playing and then other people are playing with them. I think I explained that well enough. Yeah, so I will not hit the button. Wow, I'm 35% people. Nice. Or not nice, I'm nice as, wow, that surprised me. Excuse me, I don't know why I said nice. What is this? Okay, whatever. Sorry, this got me distracted. You will have all the powers of Superman, but you have to look for Spider-Man. Sure, why not? I think why Spider-Man is so lovable is like he is so relatable, and he has a lot of bad days and like crappy sucky stuff, but he also has like the responsibility of like, okay, I can't, like I know I am friends with gods and goddesses, but I know I won't abuse my power, and like how he's so um level-headed about anything. So yeah, so like I'm willing to have this. I'm willing to have Superman powers, but luck of Spider-Man. You will go to an eternal paradise, but your family will never know what happened to you. Nah, I don't really care. Like, um, yeah, I don't really care. I yeah, anyway, I can't think of anything else to say. So, moving on. You were you were accepted into Hogwarts of Witchcraft and Wizardry, but you must kill Harry Potter within 2 years, or you will be transported to Russia and stay there forever without any magic. Ooh, I don't think I'm going to press the button because I don't really. I'm not gonna press the button because first off, I don't really care about. I'm not a huge Hogwarts and Harry Potter. I'm not a huge Harry Potter fan. Um, like a lot of other people. Like I do enjoy the series, but I just don't remember anything. And the only thing that's stuck with me is like the houses and like the names of people and like some of the actors' faces. Um, yeah, and also I don't want to kill Harry Potter because then I would be sent to Azkaban, and also by saying no, I won't press the button means I won't go to Hogwarts. Therefore, I don't need to kill him. So yeah, you can have any kind of desired car you would ever desire, but you have to wear clothes that you hate for the rest of your life. No, I already got the cars I want. I just need the license to drive them, and I'm wearing clothes that I like, so I don't really need to press the button because I have the ups already. So yeah, you can control people with your voice, but you might damage their brain. I'm not going for that joke. I'm not going for that joke. You become the superhero of your choice, and your friends join you on your super team, but all your enemies and their friends become supervillains and form a team to destroy you. Ooh. Ooh. I kind of want to click it. I kind of want to click the button, but I know someone will be just like, oh, like what, like all of, like my enemy. I don't really have enemies. I have people I don't like, and they don't like me, but I don't consider them my enemy. Um, they might just go, oh, whatever counters him. But it might be fun, like, because ooh. And then would my friends be superheroes as well? Or would they just be normal people, like, regulating, like, being third eyes and being like, watch your 6, and watch your 12, and watch your 9. I think I will press the button, because that one seems interesting. Because, like, I would really want to know that. Like, the, like, if my friends would become superheroes as well. Come on. There we go. You will be transported to a fictional universe of your choice and do anything with a human capability, but anyone you know in this universe immediately forgets your existence, and you must make a living where you choose. So basically, it's saying I can go to the Marvel Universe, but since I'm going to the Marvel Universe, I know I can only exist in the Marvel Universe, I exist in the Marvel Universe and exist here. And I'm basically becoming homeless, moneyless. I'm just becoming straight up living on the streets. I will not. As much as I would like this outweighs this. So you kind of have to be logical about it. You are handsome, wealthy. You are a handsome, wealthy man and have a long life, but you are also very autistic. Why is being severely autistic a bad thing? Like, I know not a lot of people will talk to you because human beings are shit, but being autistic is not a bad thing. Being disabled is not a bad thing. It's just the only reason why we think autistic is bad is because we are bad. If it's weird, like, because since human beings want everybody to be a carbon copy, but we also push individuality down our throats. Like, you can be whatever you want. You can be a boy, you can be a girl. But and we do this, but if we get too far out, we just shit on that person. And I'm not trying to say being disabled is a personal choice, but I'm just saying that disabled people and a lot of people who are way too different from themselves, like different from what other people want, get shit on. So I don't know if I should to be like, it's not a bad cause, but I also fuck it, I'm just gonna press the button. I didn't really have anything because, like, my only argument was I don't really want to, but then I was thinking about it in my head, and I just went, you're being hypocritical, so I just went, yeah, I'm gonna hit the button. Yeah. You can live a happy, fulfilled, and comfortable life, but in exchange for half of your remaining lifespan. No, because I'm sure I can get this and have the full span of my lifespan. So I don't really want a thing of like Like I know it's you might get um happy a happy, fulfilled, comfortable life and all of your lifespan, whereas this is you certainly will get a happy, fulfilled, comfortable life, but for your half. Yeah. You get one power that you want, but you can't swim for the rest of your life. What if that power... Huh. What if that power is super swimming? But then... Then this is just completely redundant. This is kind of why I prefer Would You Rather over Will You Press the Button, because Would You Rather has actual good, would you rather do this or would you rather do this, whereas Will You Press the Button is just blah 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 versus random bullshit thing. Like, because in Would You Rather there are actual things of, like, would you choose the power of fire or would you choose the power of ice? Like, something natural. But with this, like, there are so many loopholes I could get. Or maybe not so many, but there are loopholes around these. Like for this one, I would get the super power of super swimming. But the drawback is I can't swim. So what happens? So I guess people just need to think about what needs to go on. Will you press the button? I will not. And I think I'm going to end it there. This is a good ending point for me. Yeah, so... yeah, yeah, I don't really know what to do. I'm wearing slippers right now, and, like, they have grippies, but some of them are falling off, or not falling off. They're, like, halfway to 2/3 of falling off, so I'm just, like, picking off those. They're kind of old. They're not new, but, well, they're not new, but they're not old. I've had them for a while, let me say that. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, and if you really liked it, subscribe and ring the bell. Subscribe, ring the bell. If you want to check out me playing more of Will You Press the Button, I've done so, and I've also played Grimm's Hollow, Nocturne Prelude, What Never Was, Helltaker, and Atma, along with many other things, but I'm just giving you those 5 to give you a taste of what my channel is. So yeah, with that said, I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya.